human beings did not create leadership. It's just a way for social animals to communicate and coordinate. And social animals systems are designed to take care of the whole, the group, the tribe, the species. And so for us humans, our social system derives around being able to have enough resources to survive, which is, food, water, shelter, care of young, the right to reproduce. So the way I like to translate leadership is that leadership equals relationship. It's really, how am I relating to myself? How am I relating to others? And how am I relating to the world, which is my values, my ethics, what I believe in. Now, sometimes, so you see this self-other world. We're going to keep going down this track. So in relationships, sometimes I'm leading others. I have a big team. I have big commitments. My health breaks down. I have to shift gears and come into leading myself. Sometimes I can be leading others and leading myself. And sometimes we're at a time when, leading by my values or by your values and your ethics is up for renegotiation. And I don't know how many of you can identify with these times. These times, most of my clients are really dealing with having to challenge their values and their ethics and even their relationships with other people based on values and ethics. And so being in real moment time, we're coming out of, or we've been dealing with COVID, the social isolation, right? Some people got to go home and be more with their families and reconnect, and other people got very isolated. And we're now looking at the outfall of that, So now that we're a little bit emotionally exhausted, our resilience is lower because we've been holding down our fort, for a year and a half plus. And the body, is going, okay, I'm not about to, it's not as dire as it was last year, and so there's a letdown, an emotional letdown. So there's an emotional exhaustion.